We reported last week on the shortage of funding for the drug court program. Were you aware that that was going to have some shortfall in it through the budget process? And are you concerned about how that money might get restored?
Yes.
Well, what are your plans for?
You didn't ask that question.
Well, I'm asking about it finally. So, you can be willing to tap your emergency fund.
Well, that's always an option. I'm not prepared to commit to that right now. But as you know, prison overcrowding and the alternatives in criminal justice reform are a major concern for the legislature and certainly for me, and should be for everybody else. And so it's one of those priority items like Medicaid. It's one of the things that we have to do as a state to protect our people.
Well, why wasn't it more of a priority in the budget process if it's that crucial?
But it was a priority in the budget process. That's why there's some flexibility in the budget.
Did it get missed? Was it an oversight?
No, it was a priority in the budget. There was extra money in there. And there's some extra flexibility in the budget process for that potential. I'm just not willing to commit right now. It depends on a number of things. The two areas, that's not fair. The three areas that were most talked about with the legislature and with me with regard to the flexibility on emergency money, rainy day money, transferability money, were drug courts, corrections directly, and Medicaid. And that was all talked about, contemplated, and is still potential. But if you're asking me for an answer today, that decision hasn't been made. Obviously, the more that you need for corrections to keep the violent folks locked up, the less you've got available for Medicaid, or the less you've got available for drug courts, and vice versa. But those are the three priority items that had the most discussion between the legislative leaders and certainly the legislature itself and my office throughout the budget process. We know we're not cutting kids for 12. All right?
Thank you.